Holmes Investment Properties, or HIP as we refer to ourselves, is a UK-based property company. We see a significant opportunity to invest in the leisure sector where family-friendly activities are brought together under one pretty large roof. We are listed on the stock exchange in Berlin, and we've raised both equity and debt in order to fund teams to develop their business propositions. The way the model works is that the funds that we procure finance the sites which are then developed and run by the operators. They then lease the sites from us, and we can also provide funding for the equipment with which they fit out those centres. So our shareholders will see a combination of returns from these investments, not only from the rent that we derive from the centres, but also from lease payments for the plant and machinery that we have funded, management fees from assisting the companies in their operation, and also, of course, from the upside that we find both from the increasing value of the sites and the final exit from those sites in due course down the line. So far, we've signed 2 agreements, one with Everyone Entertained and one with Adrenaline World. We're working hard on developing the first sites, which we hope the first one will be open early in 2020. We're delighted to have such a strong team on board. In addition to the board, who are experienced in running public limited companies, we've got a strong executive management team with a wealth of experience in property and in leisure.
Our goal is to deliver 12 sites over the next 5 years across all of the businesses that we are partnered with or hold an interest with. We want to build our market cap to deliver a £100 million company. And we'll do that through developing the revenue streams, through rental and the dividend policies that we have with Everyone Entertained. In order to deliver the rollout plans, respectively for 10 sites with Adrenaline World and 25 sites with Everyone Entertained, the total cost there is somewhere in the region of 350 million to deliver those sites. We're in a very good position with the heads of terms, respectively, with the different businesses. But to get to where we are today, already £3 million has been spent across those businesses, either direct in the businesses or from HIP investing into those as working capital, site finding and site prospecting. And as we continue with our plan, obviously that investment will continue to grow.
Well, the leisure sector in the UK is in robust health and has been growing at roughly twice the rate of inflation over the last 5 years. It's now about a £119 billion market in the UK, and there's lots of things with new products coming to the market to cater for a new demand from people. So young people now are wanting to do things rather than buy things. They want to have activities, they want to have excitement, they want to have something to show on social media. And young people are drinking less than they were 5 and 10 years ago. They want to go out in the evening and have some activities to do together whilst having drinks, but not to the same level that they used to. All of this is backed up in a report by Mintel and also another one by Deloitte. People are wanting to have much more activity in their life and much more excitement. So that allows the leisure market to do something much more dynamic than it was doing in the past. There's also a very interesting study by the Leisure Database which says that families, when they ask the question, what do we want to do today, actually they often have an argument because the family wants to do slightly different things. And if you have an age gap in the children, they'll definitely want to do different things. So the future in leisure is going to be more about one environment that can cater for people wanting to do different things, but still together as a family activity.
So funding Adrenaline World, we have heads of terms signed with a partner that will fund 50% of the cost of each site. This will be done as equity into the SPVs, the special purpose vehicle which will own each individual land site. The remainder will be funded through debt, be it development finance or lease and asset finance on the equipment and the activities.
Everyone Entertained is an American-style active entertainment centre. We have 8 activities under one roof for families to do, for young people to do in the evenings as well. So there's a variety of different activities, from virtual reality hang gliding to adventure golf to soft play to building bricks, to escape rooms, all sorts of different things that cater for a wide variety of people and different usages. We then glue all that together with a fantastic F&B product that allows people to have a great day out, or for people who live very locally to use us very regularly and have a variety of activities to do and a great entertaining experience in the evenings as well.
With Everyone Entertained, we also have a head-to-term site with a rolling debt facility that would allow us to deliver the full 25 site rollout. The way that this would be achieved is that we would utilise the rolling debt facility to deliver the first sites and then have them operational for 1 to 2 years. We'd then look at refinancing part of that debt onto longer term, lower cost bank debt finance, whilst the funds from the rolling credit facility are deployed on the next sites. So Ashtur Limited, the business that we own wholly, what we're looking to do is to improve that site. We've recently installed top tracer technology. This has allowed the gamification of a golf driving range, which not only allows your golf enthusiasts to track how they're improving their game, track their shots, track their balls. All that also allows them to play effectively different courses such as St Andrews, Pebble Beach. But it also opens up a golf driving range to a different consumer base, as it allows games, point scoring. It has been seen to attract a different type of consumer that will be groups of mates, non-golf enthusiasts that are getting into the game. In addition to that, we are looking at the planning opportunity to add a Costa Coffee, and we're also improving the adventure golf. A big revenue generator with kids and kids parties, and looking to improve that over the winter in 2019, 2020, ready for the spring, summer of 2020, where adventure golf is a big revenue generator. So in summary, what is Holmes Investment Properties PLC? We are a property investment company focused within the leisure sector. We have a growing market as people want to do more rather than buy. There is an ever-increasing number of sites available to us, whether it's brownfield sites or existing sites that are looking for leisure to draw people in and to maintain their footfall, whether it's existing retail parks, retail developments that don't have the stream of other retailers in order to fill empty spaces. So our market, consumers are growing and our opportunity is growing. We have excellent and quality management teams across both HIP PLC and the businesses that we have interests in. We hold an interest with Everyone Entertained. We currently sit at 48% ownership, and with Adrenaline World we hold 15%, which gives us additional revenue streams outside of the property-led focus that the business has and was set up for. We will continue to drive forward those businesses and to deliver our goal of 12 sites in the next 5 years, whilst we also look to explore other areas of leisure that we can take advantage of.